A lot of people will say it's your ascended masters around you, helping you, assisting you. And that can be the case because three is a number of unity. And it definitely means, coming together, things unifying. But at the same time, it is the number of inspiration and imagination. And it's very crucial, very critical to utilize the three in our lives because that's how we create and manifest. That, or we use our imagination. That's where thoughts come from. That's where, the ideas that we have. And if we really truly believe in them, it's a very optimistic energy. Because of that, it's like, think of a child who has the imagination that says, I want to be president. And they believe it. They really truly believe it because of their imagination, because of their built-in optimism. And that's what it's really all about. It's called the social butterfly for a reason. And it's very cheery, sunny. The color yellow is associated with the three as well. So for me, I live for inspiration and uplifting and inspiring because I'm a three. So when we see 333, it is a message that yes, angels and ascended masters could be around you, unifying with you to help you manifest, but also it's a message to say, use your imagination and make it happen, manifest your dreams and believe in it.